I am Shamsul Alam Patwari, Senior Lecturer in Management, Dhaka, Mega City College. Dear students, how are you? Oh yes, thank you, thank you. I am also fine. Thank you. Thank you, Rehan. Previous day, what was the subject? We discussed about concept and character of partnership business. Thank you, Sharif. Thank you. Today's topic is types of partner. Now write down on your copy types of partner. Types of partner. There are various types of partner in partnership business. Some partner provides capital and takes part in his business. Some partner provides capital but does not take part in his business. And some partner retire from the business but he or she reinvested his capital in his business. And some partner does not provide capital. We can use only his name. So we can see there are various types of partner in partnership business. So number one, ordinary partner. Ordinary partner. Ordinary partner provides capital in his business. Takes part in partnership business, receives profit from partnership business. And his liability is unlimited. Number two, sleeping partner. Sleeping partner. Sleeping partner. Sleeping partner provides capital in his business, then he does not take part in partnership business, he receives profit from partnership business and his liability is unlimited. Number three, nominal partner. Nominal partner does not provide capital in partnership business, does not take part in partnership business. We can use only his name. For using his name, we pay sum of remuneration. And he is not liable for business task. He does not receive profit from partnership business. Then co-sin বা কাশি পার্টনার, কাশি partner. The partner who retired from the business but he did not withdraw his capital. He reinvested his capital in partnership business as loan, and he received a fixed amount of interest against his loan, and he is not liable for business tax. Number 5, limited partner. Limited partner provides capital in partnership business, but he does not take part in partnership business. His age is under 18 years old. He received profit from partnership business, and his liability is limited on the basis of his capital. Then partners by holding out. Partners by the partner who does not provide capital in partnership business, does not take part in partnership business, he or she always express to another person he is a partner in partnership business, and he is not liable for business task. He does not receive profit from partnership business. Paranjain, can you tell me what is the character of ordinary partner? Ordinary partner provides capital in partnership business and takes part in partnership business. Thank you. Thank you, Paranjain. Shakir, can you tell me what is sleeping partner? Sleeping partner provides capital, but he does not take part in partnership business. Thank you, Shakir. Shubhta, can you tell me what is the age of limited partner? Under 18 years old. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shubhta. Wisebilla, who is Kasi partner? Oh yes, the partner who retired from the business but did not withdraw his capital and reinvested his capital in partnership business. Okay, thank you, Wisebilla. Thank you. Okay, dear student. Now write down on your today's question. Then you will solve creative question easily. Then write down your today's question. Write the types of partner. Types of partner and explain it. Okay. Best of luck. See you again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.